Tiimo App Review. Best Daily Planner App. Staying organized shouldn't feel overwhelming. Tiimo promises a calm, visual approach to planning, but does it actually help in 2025? Tiimo is a daily planner designed for visual thinkers. It breaks your day into simple timelines instead of long task lists. The biggest strength is clarity. You won't believe how much stress disappears when tasks are visually spaced. Most people get this wrong by overloading schedules. Tiimo encourages realistic planning. The app is especially popular with neurodivergent users, but anyone can benefit from its structure. The downside is limited advanced features. Tiimo focuses on daily flow, not complex project management. The surprising truth is that Tiimo works best when you plan less, not more. In 2025, Tiimo is ideal for users who want gentle productivity without pressure. If traditional planners overwhelm you, Tiimo might be the calm solution you need. Subscribe for more honest productivity app reviews.